So friends, now I am doing vlogging test in the night scene, and I don't know how the camera will perform. I think it's performing nicely, and I can see the white square around my eye, so it is focusing my eye in the low light also. So definitely the autofocus is working perfectly in low light situation. And now what I want to see is the picture quality in low light. And I am now doing vlogging in auto mode. Everything is auto now. And the sound quality that you are getting is from the internal microphone of the camera. So I think that will be good. I have tested the internal microphone, and then that give actually very nice sound reproduction. Internal microphone also, that I have seen that internal microphone is good. Now Diwali celebration is going on, and this is our community. This is Uttarayan. You can see a lot of activities are going on here in the background. I am doing the vlogging test with the Canon R50 camera. This is the nighttime vlogging test, and I think the quality of image is very good in 4K, and the autofocus this is performing nicely. Now you are the best judge. You will see the video and judge whether it is doing a nice job or not. And everywhere this is low light situation, lot of activities going on.
So you can now see that sometimes the autofocus falters in low light. So Canon autofocus is not totally reliable in low light, and there is also uh, high ISO noise visible, especially in the shadow areas. So I will recommend a fast lens for vlogging in low light situation. I don't know whether in this situation Sony would do better or not. But the thing is, I have the Canon R50, so I have to depend on Canon R50, and that's all.
So now again I am doing vlogging test at night. I don't know how the video quality is. I have to see on a big screen. I'm recording in 4K, 24 FPS, and sorry, 25 FPS, and it's completely auto exposure mode. So camera is determining the exposure, and also audio is we are getting is from internal microphone. I don't know whether it is coming whether audio quality is good or not. You can judge. And what I can see is this that it can beautifully focus my face and eye. I can see the white square around my left eye, that is nearest to the camera. So that is the most important thing with this camera. for that reason I have bought this camera, because in case of Canon R50 there was no dual pixel autofocus in 4K, and it was also cropped. So here it is uncropped, and also you are getting 4K that is downsampled from 6K. So definitely the quality will be better, but as the lens is not that good, that is a big lens, so sharpness wise I don't think, clarity wise the quality of the video will be that great, but still for blogging I think it is sufficient. Anyone can blog at night also. See the night quality at night is very low light, and I think I can't see the noise. Can you see the noise? Maybe in the background shadow there may be some noise, but on my face I cannot see any noise. I can't see. So that is the case with this camera. See the beautiful lighting everywhere. Today is Diwali festival in India, festival of light. Indians know, and all the Hindu people all around the world, they also celebrate Diwali on this day. So this is a beautiful scene. I've already roamed here and there. I've visited a few temples and the pandals, and now I am doing this vlogging test, small vlogging test at night on this camera, nighttime vlogging. I think it is doing very good job. Only thing is the stabilization may not be that good, but still I think stabilization is also, if you keep your hand steady and you walk gently, then stabilization must be very good. That's all now. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos and more such gear reviews, and press the bell icon so that you get the notification at the earliest.